Hey, Danny, welcome to my garage. Well, I'm changing out the tires in my Escape. I just did, you saw a tire that was leaking on the caliber. So I thought I'd just go ahead and show you this. You saw the pressure sensor in that tire, and that's attached to the stem. Well, this isn't. This has its own sensor as a band around here. So, and I'm not even sure how to check them. I'm sure they got some sort of a battery set up, and eventually the battery goes bad, so now it doesn't sense the tire pressure anymore. So I thought I'd just add this onto that one. And I want to say hi to my dad, because I know he's watching these videos now on a regular basis, should I say. And as you can see, Dad, this is what we should have had at the house when I was growing up. Everything, lifts, garage, you had the tools. There was no problem there. But this would have been great. But of course, it was definitely out of price range for a home business owner back then. So, but anyway, I'll be doing this. I'm going to balance you getting these Ford rims rebalanced, and you should get all your wheel weights off of here. You're going to double check your distance on here. We are 5 and 5 2 5 4 5 5 4 5 5 5 3. Let's get my mill here. 5 3. That's 8. I want 5 3. Those were 8s on those. 5. Okay, 5. Here's a 5. 5 3. Double check one more time. Line. 5 2 5 3. Okay, 5 3. Yeah, because those other ones are 17s. These are 16s. And we are 7 5. 7 5, and we are, those were 17s I set those at, and these are 16s. There we go. All right. Put it down and push the button. I like to get started. Bad. And a 150 on the inside and a 2.5 on the outside. I dedicate this to my dad because he I know he wished he had this equipment to do this when we were doing this. Yeah. Need my glasses so I can see what the heck I'm doing. This is 7 5. 7 5. So I need a 1.5. Find my stuff here. You are a 2. 1.5 and 2. 1.5. 150. All right. There's a 150. All right. Uh-oh, I don't have my hammer. Oh, you're hanging over there. Can't get through. I'll put it on my magnet wall here, but I really guess I need to keep it over here. All right. sure you're tight. Be wearing gloves when doing this. Pound my finger. I can't. Oh, I can't see it. Tons of glass. Oh. Okay, I'll rotate the tire until we get 2 dots. All right. Side, rotate around and find the outside. Almost there. Ding-a-ling-ling-ling-ling-ling. 0.5s. $75. $2.5. There's a $2.5. There isn't even anything to it. See, just $2.5's got nothing on it, Pelly. But it wants it. It's sensitive enough that it wants it, so it gets it. Got what I like. Triple nuts. Triple nuts, triple nuts. All right. I don't know if that makes a difference. I left the paper on there. For the heck of it, let's see if that makes a difference. This is probably oh. Alright, good. Alright, 1 tire down. One more to go. Okay. Ouch. 1 tire. Cover is missing. And I gotta get the other tire back off the machine here. Comes back in. The inside, which I did earlier when I did the tire, make sure the inside is clean. Ready? Same. I don't have to worry about relining things up because that's what this tire is, just like the other one. So all I gotta do is spin her. 3 on the inside, huh? Huh. 3 on the outside, I should say. 0.25 on the inside. Anything. And again, over here out of the sun. Again, it's another 2.5. She wants a 3 on the outside. Nuts. On the other side. Keep forgetting to take those off. Coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. There we go. Ding, 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 ding. And I got 3. 2.5. Pretty big weight. I don't have any 3s. I guess I got 2.5. That's weird. Did not leave any weights on there, so just that's right over the 2.5 on there for right now. Might be enough. I'm going to have to take care of it. Got a different. I got a 2.5 again and 1.5 on that. It's only asking for a 2.5. .25 at the top. That's cool. There, we're back to the inside again. It's just off a little bit. Let's see. With that weight on there, what I'm going to do is take this one back off. Maybe not. That's where one was. I'm going to take that one off real quick because you got to adjust that other side. Well, there we are. I've got what I need to do, so I don't worry about it. Oh, I need that too. I got way. I moved my tire. Doggone it. Back out. Back up there. There's no what it tells me to do. And unfortunately I didn't have a 3 ounce weight. All right, one more time. Should be double nuts here. Triple nuts. Alrighty, triple nuts. I am happy. All right, so it takes care of this one. We're all set, and that's all there is to it. I'll double check my tire pressures again when I go put them on the vehicle. Okay, so that said, those are done. So all I had to do was two tires. They're ready to go. Where we are. That's all it took. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Dana's Garage. Talk to you soon, Dad.